Hi y'all, welcome back to the sewing area. Today I'm just going to talk about a project I'm looking forward to doing. For my birthday this past year, a few months ago, my husband got me the Girl Vintage book for my birthday. It's got at least 40 blocks in here for, I'm sure a lot of y'all are familiar with Farm Girl quilt. Got a picture of a barn and a teapot and a lot of stuff that you'll find around the farm. And each one is done as a block. So this book has about 40 to 45 blocks in there, plus a lot of how-tos on how to make the blocks into certain quilts and putting the blocks together and all that. Anyway, it's a great step-by-step and how-to and patterns in here. It tells you what size to cut all the pieces and everything. So I'm looking forward to this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video of each block and as I do them, and then when they're all done, then I'm going to make probably a couple of quilt tops with them. So, I'm really looking forward to that, and, I got this, several months ago for my birthday, but then summertime hit, and so, but now summer's almost over, and school's about to start, so I have a little more free time with the kids in school and everything. So, yeah, I'm real excited about this. The pictures look great, the blocks are awesome, and just really can't wait to get started. So I hope you'll follow me as I practice and do these blocks, and I hope you'll get to do them yourself.